convince you when I tell you I'm there? How can I convince you when I tell you I care? Just cause people.
What's going on YouTube? We about to go get this car aligned. Finally, after like 20 years. Hellcat. Sheesh. That's dope. No. Oh my God, I got fuel on my toes, bro. Don't look at my toes. What the hell? Yeah, guys, it's a beautiful day. Nice and sunny. Yeah, I gotta get this car aligned. I'm gonna flip the front tires though, and then get it aligned. And then we might go to the exhaust shop too to get this part welded, so we can have both of our mufflers on. So we'll see what happens. I'm just ready to go, ready to drive. All right, y'all, let's go. Oh. Sheesh. All right, so we're gonna go to Mr. Wheels. That's where Davey Motorsports recommended me to go to do the alignment on this car. So let's get it from this to this. All right, ready? And yeah, I could have went a long time ago. Yeah, I went to high school with that guy. That's crazy. Woo! That Shell gas station backfire. Woo! All right, y'all. So this is the plan today, bro. We're gonna drive to the freaking Mr. Wheels. That's where we're going. I don't even know where it's at. I think it's on 441. I don't know exactly where on 441, but we're gonna figure it out. I know they have an in-ground lift, so there's no excuse for them not to align my car. Alright, y'all, I figured out where the Mr. Wheels are. We're all the way right now. We're about like, I say about 10-15 minutes. So, let's get it. Sheesh! Yo, this car's backfiring like crazy. I wish y'all were here right now. I wish y'all could hear this thing, man. Y'all need to hear this car, bro. Y'all need to hear it. Like, for real. Sheesh! Oh, slow it down, slow it down. Oh, this car is amazing, man. Rick, this car is amazing. I love it. I love it. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. Kids are wild, man. They're here riding their bikes in the street so damn slow. That's crazy. It would have been cooler if they would have popped the wheelie, but y'all know the kids that be popping wheelies? Like, you know, I think that's cool, bro. Honestly, I think that's cool. I could barely pop wheelies when I was younger. But I'm a drifter now. I guess it worked out. Backfire though. Let's get it. Bro, this car is so freaking loud, bro. Mr. Wheels is find it together, y'all. It's my first time at this place, so see how it goes. Bye, Honda. All right, you guys. So we're looking for Mr. Wheels, okay? Mr. Wheels. That's where we're going right now. MR Wheels. It's not Mr. spelled M-I-S-T-E-R. It's actually MR and then Wheels. Damn! You all see that? That guy cut the traffic. That's crazy. I'm not. Mr. Wheels, Mr. Wheels. Oh, that's going to the car wash. Shit, Mr. Wheels. New used tires. Auto repair. Den's car alignment. Yeah. Wheels, tires, wheel deals. Bro, I think it's over here. Oh, wait, no, it's past Pines Boulevard, actually. Some nice shops, though. 441 got all this, like, the shops and everything. Yeah, I don't speak Creole. Yo, that man's talking loud as heck. Do your own business, y'all. You guys do something. Do something that you're passionate about, and like just work at it, man. Perfect your craft, bro. Like me, my craft, I love drifting, bro. I love drifting and driving. You know, I would love to perfect my craft on that, but I can't do that financially right now. So like, I have to venture off to something else and like perfect that craft in the meantime, you know. But nah, I'm not giving up YouTube, y'all. Like, I'm still gonna be making videos as much as I can. You know, like right here, I'm going to freaking get tires flipped, and then, you know, get my alignment done. So it's like, okay, shoot, I'm gonna record it. You know, I'm recording for you guys. I'm not gonna lie, I'm actually winging it with this view right now. So I hope you guys can see everything. Yeah, don't mind this. This is basically all my detailing stuff is in the trunk. So like, this is just everything that was in the trunk. I have nowhere to put it, and I got to keep it with me because this is like my lifeline, you know, like just in case I get a flat or something, I'm covered, or something breaks, I got my tools with me. So it's like, well, yeah, we got to pass Pines Boulevard and we'll be able to get to the Mr. Wheels. I see Mr. O's tires. Wow. J&L Auto Repair, Marca Auto Repair. All right, we're going to Mr. Wheels. That's where Davey Motorsports recommended us to go. That's where we're gonna go. Got Hollywood Kia, Pep Boys. I should have looked and seen where it was at. Oh, I think we're pulling up to it actually. Tire sale. Oh, no, we're not. It's a Wells Fargo bank. That's a bank. I'm over here thinking that's a freaking tire shop. Give me that net, Kev. Mr. Wheels, there we go. Sheesh. And no parking anywhere. Sheesh. Got some nice cars out here though. They must make good money over here. Gee, I don't know where I'm gonna park. I think I'm just gonna park right in front of here. Show off the angle. Park right here. Y'all, let's go. Oh, it's a nice spot. Mr. Wheels Customs. What's up, bro? Guess we go inside. Leave the car right there. It's good. What's up, bro?
What's going on, man?
Chilling. Subaru. All right, let's go inside. Hello.
Hi.
How you doing?
Is it a big stretcher though?
Nah. It's a 245 on an 8.5 inch rim. So, okay, yeah, we could do that. The car's outside right now, so. Mr. Wheels, y'all go check them out. They're here on Hollywood. They're here in Hollywood, Florida on 441 and Washington Street. So check these guys out. They're about to do the alignment on the car, flip the front tire, do the alignment. So we'll see how it goes, see how everything is. I got a Wise Fab. So they're just gonna do a tow because, I mean, I don't want them adjusting camber. But yeah, that's how the car looks right now. Same thing from last time, no different. The reason why I'm not gonna put the wrap on yet is because I need to get this fender situated. I gotta get that other side fit situated. And honestly, man, I'm like, there's like so much going on right now. Like I'm trying to focus on things that's gonna help me, you know, prolong this content. You know what I mean? So I need to focus on the business and yeah, and get that going. Once I get that going, then I could, you know, pay my child support, pay car payments, and once I get up to date on that, then I'll start focusing on this car and yeah, bring you guys more content. But I do have plans for this car in the future. Like this car, I want to do some crazy stuff to it. I want to take the Coyote out. I want to go a different route. So if you guys can guess what engine I want to go with in the future, leave in the comments below. And yeah, I want to change this up. It's gonna be crazy. People are gonna hate it. I think people are gonna hate it. Kara doesn't like it. But Kyle thinks it's cool as heck. So we'll see what happens. We'll see what happens. Yo, I need to freaking flip that tire, bro. That's crazy. Look at it. Look at it. It's on its last. Look at this last thread. Oh my gosh. Sheesh. I need to get this alignment. I waited too long. All right, so we got those off. Sheesh. Man, look at that angle kit, man. Volvo power steering pump. Sheesh. All right, y'all, so we got the Mustang on the lift. Sheesh. Man, look at these cars, bro. They got freaking, look at this lifted truck right here, bro. That shit is clean. We got a Corvette and we got a Porsche. Man, Carol would love this car right here. Look at that. But yeah, let's get back to the action. Let's get back to the driving. Catch you guys when this is finished. All right, you guys, we got the car. Yo, I'm on FaceTime right now. All right, y'all, so we got the car aligned and everything, ready to go. Should make this right, actually. But yes, guys, we got the car aligned. I'm hitting the gas, the car is going straight. Well, it'll go to the right a little bit. But one thing I gotta do, man, I gotta freaking change my damn I gotta adjust the camber on the passenger side because it has more negative camber than the driver's side. So the front has -7 camber and the driver's side has -5 camber. So I have to adjust that and then obviously get it realigned again eventually. But for now it's good. We're good. So ready for the trip. I might record that trip. I don't know. We'll see. But yeah, guys. Kevdrives is out. Have a good day. Peace.
Baby, this year's my year. I'm not here to play it fair.